The Oregon 22855 heavy-duty professional Magnum Gatorline square string trimmer line is designed for professional use, providing efficient and effective cutting of grass and grass-like weeds. The trimmer line is not just efficient, but it is also durable and can handle sizable brush without breaking, thanks to its high-strength inner core. One of the best features of this trimmer line is its weld-resistant outer layer, which significantly reduces the likelihood of the line bonding together in the trimmer head. The Oregon 22855 trimmer line is compatible with a wide range of string trimmer models, including but not limited to the Remington RM1159, and works with most trimmer head systems. The 0.155-inch diameter of this trimmer line makes it an ideal choice for professionals dealing with tough vegetation and underbrush. Lastly, the trimmer line is reinforced with arid fibers, adding to its durability and making it a long-lasting solution for your trimming needs.